Introduction. Welcome to USA to Again production. In this comprehensive documentary, we'll guide you through every step of raising Jersey cows in the United States, from choosing the right calf, feeding, and healthcare, to milking and marketing your dairy products in 2025. Jersey cows are small in size but giants in quality. Their rich, creamy milk is famous for its high butterfat content, making it perfect for cheese, butter, and premium dairy products. Whether you're a beginner farmer or an experienced dairy producer looking to expand, this guide will give you everything you need to succeed. Key topics. Preview. Jersey cow history and traits. Selecting the right animals. Feeding and nutrition in 2025. Housing and farm setup. Healthcare and disease prevention. Milking process and technology. Marketing milk in the USA dairy industry. Part 1. Understanding Jersey cows. Jersey cows originated from the Channel Island of Jersey in the UK and arrived in the USA in the mid-1800s. Farmers loved them for their efficiency. Small body, lower feed needs, and high-value milk. Light brown to fawn color, big eyes, 800-1,000 lbs weight. Milk stats, 13,000, 17,000 lbs year, 4.8-5.4% butterfat. Temperament, gentle, easy to handle. Ideal for small farms, artisanal dairy production. Part 2. Selecting your Jersey cows. Before you raise Jersey cows, choosing the right stock is the first critical step. Buying from USDA-registered breeders, age and health check before purchase. Signs of good breeding stock: clear eyes, smooth coat, active behavior. Checking milk records of the dam, mother cow. Price range in 2025 for calves versus mature cows. Part 3. Housing and farm setup. Jersey cows adapt well to different climates, but their housing must keep them stress-free and healthy. Barn design, ventilation, clean flooring, proper bedding, space requirements per cow. Pasture rotation for grazing, winter housing in cold states, shade and cooling in hot states. Water supply, 30-50 gallons per cow a day. Part 4. Feeding and nutrition. Good milk starts with good feed. Jerseys require a balanced diet to maintain health and milk quality. Grazing pasture management. Alfalfa, clover, ryegrass, silage and hay for winter feeding. Grain mix. Corn, oats, barley, supplements, minerals, vitamins, probiotics. Feeding schedule for calves, heifers, and milking cows. Water access and cleanliness. 25. Updates. Precision feeding using smart collars and feeding sensors. Part 5. Healthcare and disease prevention. Healthy cows mean profitable farming. Prevention is better than cure. Vaccination schedule in 2025. Common diseases in Jerseys: mastitis, milk fever, bloat, care routine. Parasite control, deworming cycles. Biosecurity measures for new animals. Vet checkups and record keeping. Part 6. Milking process and equipment. The milking process has evolved. In 2025, farmers have more choices than ever before. Hand milking versus machine milking. Milking parlor setup and hygiene. Robotic milking systems in small farms. Pre-milking, udder cleaning, and post-milking teat dip. Milk cooling and storage tanks. Quality testing for butterfat and bacterial count. Part 7. Breeding and calf management. Good breeding ensures the next generation of healthy, productive cows. Artificial insemination, AI, versus natural service. Choosing the right bull genetics for milk yield and fat content. Elving management and assistance. Feeding newborn calves. Colostrum importance. Weaning process and growth tracking. Part 8. Marketing and selling Jersey. Milk in 2025. Jersey milk has a niche market. Farmers can earn premium prices with the right strategy. Selling to creameries and cheesemakers. Direct-to-consumer sales at farmers' markets. Branding and packaging rich Jersey milk. Online marketing for local delivery. Legal requirements for raw milk sales in the USA. Part 9. Sustainability and future trends. The future of Jersey farming is green and tech-driven. Solar-powered barns, manure-to-energy systems, water recycling in dairy farms, AI-based health monitoring, climate-smart feeding systems. Part 10. Conclusion. Raising Jersey cows in the USA is both an art and a science. These gentle animals reward care and attention with the richest milk in the world. With the right feeding, housing, and marketing, even small farms can thrive in 2025.